Have you heard of live chat jobs? They are a new and exciting way to work from home or anywhere you choose. They are becoming very popular. With the rise of online shopping, more and more people are turning to the internet to make their purchases. More people shop online now, and companies want to help their customers right away. This is where live chat jobs come in. Live chat is a great way to do this. It allows companies to provide instant support to their customers, answering questions and solving problems in real time. Many companies need live chat agents. These agents are the front line of customer service, helping to ensure that customers have a positive experience. You can do this job from anywhere. Whether you prefer to work from a coffee shop, a park, or the comfort of your own home, live chat jobs offer the flexibility to work from virtually any location. You just need a computer and internet. With these basic tools, you can connect with customers and provide the support they need. That means you can work from home. Imagine the convenience of not having to commute and being able to create a comfortable workspace that suits your needs. You can set your own hours. This flexibility is perfect for those who need to balance work with other commitments, such as family or education. This is perfect if you need a flexible job. Live chat jobs allow you to work when it suits you best, making it easier to manage your time and responsibilities. Live chat jobs are great for everyone. They are ideal for people of all ages and backgrounds, offering opportunities for those looking to start a new career or supplement their income. You don't need any experience to start. Many companies provide training so you can learn the skills you need to succeed in this role. If you like helping people, this job is for you. Live chat jobs offer a rewarding way to make a difference in people's lives while enjoying the benefits of a flexible and convenient work environment. Don't be scared to try a live chat job. You don't need special skills. Companies will train you. You just need to be good at a few things. You should enjoy talking to people. You will chat with lots of customers. You need to be friendly and helpful. You also need to be a good listener. Customers will tell you their problems. It's important to be a clear communicator. This means writing in a way that is easy to understand. You want to solve problems quickly. If you can do these things, you can be a great live chat agent. What will you do as a live chat agent? As a live chat agent, your primary responsibility is to provide real-time assistance to customers who reach out through the chat feature on a company's website or app. This role is crucial in ensuring customer satisfaction and resolving issues promptly. Your main job is to help customers. This involves answering their questions, addressing their concerns, and providing information about products or services. You are the first point of contact for many customers, and your ability to communicate effectively can make a significant difference in their experience. They might have questions about products. For instance, they may want to know more about the features, pricing, or availability of a particular item. Your role is to provide clear and accurate information to help them make informed decisions. They might have problems with their orders. This could include issues like delayed shipments, incorrect items received, or problems with payment. Your job is to listen to their concerns, empathize with their situation, and find a solution that satisfies them. You will answer their questions through the chat. This requires you to be quick and efficient in your responses, ensuring that the customer feels heard and valued. Your typing skills and ability to multitask will be put to good use here. You will use a special program to do this. These programs are designed to help you manage multiple chats simultaneously, keep track of customer interactions, and access necessary information quickly. Familiarity with these tools is essential for your success. The program will help you keep track of all the chats. It will organize your workflow, allowing you to prioritize urgent issues and ensure that no customer query goes unanswered. This helps in maintaining a high level of service quality. You will learn how to use it during your training. The training will cover all aspects of the software, from basic navigation to advanced features. This will equip you with the skills needed to handle any situation that arises during your chats. You will become an expert at solving problems. Over time, you will develop a deep understanding of common issues and the best ways to resolve them. This expertise will make you a valuable asset to the company and a trusted advisor to customers. You will learn all about the company's products. This knowledge is crucial because it enables you to provide accurate and helpful information to customers. You will be able to answer detailed questions and offer recommendations based on their needs. You will know how to answer any question. Whether it's about product specifications, company policies, or troubleshooting steps, you will have the information at your fingertips. This confidence will help you provide excellent service. This is a rewarding job. Helping people and making their day better can be incredibly fulfilling. You will have the satisfaction of knowing that you made a positive impact on someone's experience. You will help people every day. Your role as a live chat agent is essential in building customer loyalty and trust. By providing excellent service, you contribute to the overall success of the company. Section 4. The perks of being a live chat agent. Being a live chat agent comes with a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your work-life balance and professional growth. There are many great things about being a live chat agent. One of the most appealing aspects is the flexibility it offers. You can work from anywhere. Whether you prefer the comfort of your home, the ambiance of a coffee shop, or even a serene beach, the choice is yours. This level of freedom is unparalleled in many traditional jobs. You're in control of your schedule. This means you can plan your work around your life, not the other way around. Need to run errands or attend a family event? No problem. You can adjust your work hours to fit your personal needs. You can work as much or as little as you want. This flexibility allows you to take breaks when needed, ensuring you stay refreshed and productive. It also means you can take on more work if you're looking to earn extra income. You will also learn new skills. As a live chat agent, you'll be exposed to various training programs and resources that can help you develop new competencies. This continuous learning can be incredibly rewarding and beneficial for your career. You will become a better communicator. Engaging with customers regularly will hone your communication skills, making you more effective in conveying information and resolving issues. You will learn how to solve problems quickly. The nature of live chat support requires you to think on your feet and find solutions efficiently. This problem-solving ability is a valuable skill that can be applied in many areas of life. These skills will help you in other areas of your life. The abilities you develop as a live chat agent, such as multitasking and effective communication, are transferable and can enhance your performance in other roles and personal endeavors. Live chat jobs can also lead to other opportunities. The experience and skills you gain can open doors to new career paths, whether within the same company or in different industries. You might get promoted to a manager role. With experience and proven performance, you could move up the ranks and take on leadership positions, guiding and mentoring new agents. You might decide to start your own business. The possibilities are endless. The skills and knowledge you acquire can empower you to pursue entrepreneurial ventures, turning your expertise into a successful business. Section 5. Start your live chat journey today. Are you ready to start a new career? Live chat jobs are in high demand. You can find a job that fits your life. You can work from home and set your own hours. Live chat jobs is a great place to start. They have tons of job listings. They make it easy to apply for jobs. They also have helpful resources for job seekers. Don't wait any longer. Start your live chat journey today.